debacle that is the bankruptcy of Stewart Healthcare got very real in two communities this morning when a pair of hospitals closed their doors for good. Carney Hospital in Dorchester and Nashoba Valley Medical Center in Ayer have now officially been shuttered. But as Paul Burton shows us, there was a last-minute flurry of anger and tears.
With thunderous applause, dozens of nurses and staff walk out of Nashoba Valley Medical Center in Ayer on Saturday morning for the last time.
Very sad. It's like a linchpin of the community. I've used the emergency department there a couple of times.
The same is true for Carney Healthcare in Dorchester. Bankrupt Stewart Healthcare said it did not find qualified bidders for the two facilities, forcing the hospital closures. Helen Palmer has been coming here for nearly a decade.
And now the other emergency rooms are going to get backed up, and I'm going to get stuck in traffic on the wrong side, so hopefully I don't have an emergency. But I feel very sorry for the workers there and all the regular patients.
Loved her patients, loved her coworkers.
Abby Baldwin came to show her support for the workers. Her mother is one of them. Laura Baldwin worked here at Nashoba for 7 years as a registered nurse. She's currently battling cancer and found out about the closure during her treatment. Not only is she fighting for her life, but also out of a job.
She found that out very suddenly, underwent a 13-hour surgery, and while she was recovering, learned the news that they were closing in just 30 days.
On Saturday, 2 ambulances were parked outside of Nashoba Medical for emergency patients that may show up.
I think the biggest hurt from my mother is just how fast it all happened. There was it seemed like there really wasn't much of a fight, to keep it open.
The state says it's now laying out plans to help communities impacted by these closures. For the next week and a half or so, these ambulances you see behind me will be on standby 24/7 at both hospitals to help treat and transport patients to the emergency department.
It's very sad for the community. I wish somebody would have come in and bought it. I think there are going to be lives lost because of this.
In Ayer, I'm Paul Burton, WBZ News.